A funny thing about quartiles, different methods produce different results. Let's take a look at an example here. So find the first quartile. If you do this by hand, according to the explanation in our textbook, we have 11 individual observations here. When n is odd, that means you have one number exactly in the middle. In this case, it's the 38. In our textbook, it said to throw that number out. You don't include it in either the upper half or the lower half. So in the lower half, we're looking at these 5 numbers. The median of the lower half is 28. So according to our textbook's instructions, we would say first quartile is 28. However, let's take a look at Google. Let's start with Google Sheets here. So I typed the same numbers in Google Sheets, and I typed in quartiles right here, quartile A1 through A11, comma 1. They say the answer is 30. Microsoft Excel, same thing. I typed in the same numbers. I did quartile. Actually, you can do quartile A colon A for the whole column, comma 1. They say 30 as well. All right, what's going on here? So the issue is what to do with that middle number. Usually that's what the issue is. In their algorithms, they're including that 38, that middle number, in the lower half. And so then the median of the lower half becomes the mean of 20 and 32, which would be 30. So according to most spreadsheet software, the quartile is 30. Now, by the way, they would include that 38, that middle number. They would include it in the upper half as well. Both methods are legitimate. There just is no universally agreed method for finding quartiles. In fact, there's even other methods. For example, there could be algorithms that just do something like take the number of data points, divide by 4. If it's not an integer, then you round up or down, or do some interpolation of some kind, or perhaps n plus 1 over 4, or something like that. Let's look at a few other technologies here. We have the website Alcula. I typed in the same numbers into this. Here's the same numbers right there. This says first quartile is 28 right there. So it looks like they're using the same method that our textbook uses, except sometimes they don't. They have different algorithms depending on the number of data points. Let's also look at the graphing calculator. Here we go. So if you go to stats, I typed in the numbers in advance already. Let's go to calculate one variable stats, list 1. Okay, we have n is 11. Scroll down. Okay, this also says quartile 1 equals 28, using the same method that our textbook used as well, at least for n equals 11. So you can see different methods, different results. When you're doing homework and quizzes, if the computer says you have the wrong answer, it not necessarily is the wrong answer. I will go through your homework and quizzes with quartiles, and if you use a different method, but your method is correct, then you'll still get the credit for doing it. That's it.